everybody and welcome to the amazing show of Henry Harvin Education, which is called 365 Days of 365 Courses, where we will tell you the different types of courses, the job opportunities, the eligibility criteria and a lot more things about the courses. So today I have Sunny with me who is going to tell us about Teen MBA or Junior MBA. So hi Sunny, how are you?
Hi, I'm good, Shashi. How are you?
I'm also great, thank you. So Sunny, please brief us about what exactly is Teen MBA.
Okay, so basically Teen MBA or Junior MBA is a program wherein at an early age you can learn about the insights on how to start a business. So you can become an entrepreneur, you can get an idea on how to become an entrepreneur into this program.
That's amazing. So is there any eligibility criteria for this course?
No, there's no eligibility criteria. As long as you are a teenager, you can enroll for the program. As the name suggests, Teen MBA or Junior MBA. So if you are a teenager, definitely you can learn this course.
That's amazing. So tell us about the duration of this course.
The duration is 24 hours and it takes approximately 1.5 months to complete the course.
Okay, just 24 hours and you're done with your Teen MBA.
Yes.
That's amazing. So tell us, what are the job opportunities, or is there any particular job profiles that the other teen who's doing this course can opt for?
So this course particularly doesn't talk about the job opportunities because it is for teenagers and youngsters.
Yes.
So they don't tend to apply for jobs into the industry.
Exactly.
So that is why. But after doing the certification, the student understand about the aspects on how to become an entrepreneur. So there are certain aspects into this course, like they understand about chief marketing officer, what a technical officer does in the company, what a CEO does in a company. So they learn about all these aspects.
Okay, so after completing their studies, further studies, they can actually show that Teen MBA certification in their resume afterwards.
Yes.
And that would be helpful for them.
So for example, when a student is completing their schooling and when they apply for colleges in future, so they can add into their profile that they have done a certification into the CEO part and the Teen MBA part. So it creates a value for the student.
Yeah, it upskills them. Of course, it upskills the teenager and it also updates the resume of the student.
Definitely, yes.
That's amazing. So tell us why a student, or what is that one USP you think Henry Harvin has that no other edtech company has?
Okay, so the major USP is that even at an early age, you get to work on certain aspects of the topics that you learn in course. For example, there's a topic of chief marketing officer into the curriculum. Okay. So once you do the course, you get to work with Henry Harvin as a marketing professional with Henry Harvin as an intern. Okay. Wherein you understand about how to do the marketing. For example, what are the go-to-market strategies? You learn about digital marketing into the curriculum and you apply that with us in Henry Harvin.
Okay. So tell us about the accreditations and affiliations of Henry Harvin.
So we are affiliated to authorities like ISO, MSME, Government of India. So there are more than 20 affiliations that Henry Harvin have got. But the major ones are like ISO, MSME, UCAP and UK Cert. So
government bodies are there,
yes,
including international certification.
Definitely. And this certification will also help the student. If they want to apply for Ivy League colleges abroad, they can also do that. This certification will add value to that as well.
That's amazing, guys. So many highlight points and still you are not yet enrolled for the course. And this course is specially for the teenagers. All the teenagers, why are you waiting? Come and enroll for the Teen MBA course from Teen MBA course from Henry Harvin. Thank you so much, Sunny, for coming and joining. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. But don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Henry Harvin. Thank you.